Taking over here, Andre Santos! His first Chelsea goal, and it comes 5 minutes into the cup tie at Molineux. And that'll do for starters. So Santos and Gittin from it. Jamie Gittin's tight angle, tap in, Tyreek George. Nicked, brilliantly stolen. Andre Santos did so well. Estevao is a star, he really is. But Hugh did all wrong. Tolua Rocadale pulls one back for Wolves. Maybe it's game on. Well, that's worked out nicely for Gins. Oh, what a goal!
What a hit!
That is an outrageous finish.